coming in. At the moment, Latur NEET scam mastermind Gangadhar Munde has been picked up by the Latur police. Gangadhar was with his family in Dehradun in the state of Uttarakhand when the police detained him. The police then left for Dehradun and has now picked up Gangadhar Munde. Visuals that you see on your screens are coming in with regards to the latest that is taking place with regards to the NEET scam. Now, Latur police in the state of Maharashtra has now picked up one Gangadhar Munde. He's been picked up from Dehradun. Gangadhar Munde had passed on the admit cards of NEET aspirants. And after giving on the admit cards, then the entire solver gang was at play. So this is the latest that is coming in with regards to the NEET scam from the state of Bihar, Uttarakhand, to the state of Jharkhand, even the state of Maharashtra. Now we are seeing the dots being connected. Not just the Maharashtra police, but even the CBI on its own is now conducting searches. Raids are being conducted in the state of Jharkhand. So this, what has come to the fore, is a multi-state racket that was at play with regards to the NEET scam. The latest is that Latur NEET scam mastermind Gangadhar Munde has been picked up by the Latur police. My colleague Shreya is now joining me on the story. Shreya, with each passing day, we are seeing how the layers are being peeled off with regards to this multi-state scam that was taking place with regards to the NEET examination.
Well, Aishwarya, just for the benefit of our viewers, we need to give the perspective that the different cases being investigated in the NEET malpractices pertain to different kind of alleged crimes. Now, for example, in Bihar, the story is about a paper leak. When we look at the other parts, for example, in Latur or, for example, in Godhra, there were such cases of alleged impersonation of solver gangs. Now, even in Rajasthan, similar 3 FIRs have been transferred to the CBI. But so far as the Latur police's investigation is concerned, before the case was transferred to the CBI, one of the alleged masterminds in that module who had actually got the admit cards of 2 of the NEET aspirants, Gangadhar Munde, was picked up by the Latur police from Uttarakhand. Now, this particular investigation has also been handed over to the CBI. So, it will be interesting to see how the CBI proceeds with this particular case. As in total, right now, if we talk, there are at least 6 cases all over the country in different aspects that are being investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Thank you, Shreya, for giving us all those details. At the moment, it seems like the NEET scam is quite deep and it is a multi-state scam.